Eleanor, wow, you still smile exactly the same. George,
I can't believe it's really you.
well, I guess I still make a mess when I'm around you.
I forgot how easy it is to laugh with you.
This entire 3D cartoon animation video was generated using AI, and honestly, it looks like a real Disney Pixar short film. The craziest part is the character consistency. The same characters appear in every scene with expressive emotions, cinematic lighting, and natural dialogue that actually feels alive. You can clearly feel the awkwardness, emotion, and accidental date vibe while watching the scenes. And creating videos like this is much easier than people think. You can make them directly from your phone or PC in just a few minutes. You don't need voice actors, sound effects, or background music either because AI generates everything together automatically. Right now, people are building faceless animation channels with tools like these and making money from them from home. Hello friends. If you also want to create videos like this, then you are at the right place. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for more AI-related content. So to create videos like this, we will follow 4 simple steps. Step 1, we will generate the story. Step 2, we will generate images for every scene of the story. Step 3, we will convert those images into video clips. Step 4, we will edit all the clips together and create a cute cartoon animation video. And by creating videos like these consistently, you can even build your own animation channel and generate a good income from it. So let's start and see how to make them. Step 1. First, we will generate a story for our cartoon animation video using the AI champion ChatGPT. For this, we simply give a command describing what type of story we want. We can also add in each scene include one short natural English dialogue spoken by the characters. If you want the story in another language, you can simply change the prompt language accordingly. Don't worry, you will find the prompt in the comment. Now ChatGPT has written all 3 scenes for us, including character actions, dialogues, emotions, and everything else. Now, in the next step, we need to generate images. ChatGPT will also generate detailed prompts for each scene in 3D Disney Pixar style. Within seconds, it gives us complete image generation prompts. Now to generate the images, we will use Flow AI. After logging in, you will see an interface like this. Click on New Project, and then click Get Started. After that, select Image and choose your aspect ratio. Here you can generate, but we will select 2 for now. You will also get 3 different AI image generation models to choose from. The best part is that image generation here costs 0 credits, meaning it is completely free and you can generate unlimited images. Now we copy the first scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow AI. The image generation starts immediately, and within seconds our image is ready. You can select the best image and download it from here. Now for the second scene. If you want character consistency, simply click the plus icon and upload the character image from the first scene, then send it. Within seconds, your second image will also be generated with the same consistent character design. Download this image as well. After generating all the images, the next step is converting them into videos. For this, we will again use Flow AI. To get perfect dialogue and high-quality videos, we will use a JSON prompt. Don't worry about JSON prompts because ChatGPT will write them for us too. For generating the JSON prompt, we simply write, use the attached image. I need a JSON prompt to convert this image into a video clip using VO3. Then upload the image of the first scene and press send. ChatGPT immediately starts writing the JSON prompt for us. Copy that prompt. Now go back to Flow AI and select Video Frame. Choose the aspect ratio and video quality. Here you will get 3 models for video generation. VO Fast costs 40 credits, VO Quality costs 200 credits, and VO Light costs only 20 credits. We will select VO Light. Then upload the first scene image and paste the JSON prompt. After sending it, our video generation starts. And this is where things start looking insane. Now you can see how cinematic and high quality the generated video looks. Download it from here. Repeat the same process for all scenes. After generating all the video clips, you can edit them together using any editing software like Filmora, CapCut, or VN Editor and create a complete cartoon animation video. The biggest advantage of the AI-generated videos I showed today is that the characters stay consistent throughout the scenes. Because of this, you can even start your own animated series with recurring characters and stories. And honestly, channels using AI animation like this are growing very fast right now. As your YouTube channel grows, you can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and brand deals. The people learning AI content creation today are going to have a huge advantage in the future. So if you want to stay ahead, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.